Hey everyone, welcome back to Mastering Mayhem. I'm glad to have you here. In this video, I want to show you guys all the multi-tools where it's like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 tool deals that you can find at Lowe's, Home Depot, Tractor Supply, Ace Hardware. I'm going to go to all these stores and show you all the deals that they have pre-Black Friday. Alright, so here starting off, Craftsman has a deal right here. A 6-tool combo kit for $249. It includes 2 amperage-hour batteries, a charger, and a contractor bag. And I think that's a 5.5-inch circular saw. But you get a reciprocating saw, circular saw, drill driver, impact driver, flashlight, and a multi-tool right there. So you get all of these tools, 6-tool kit by Craftsman for $249. Alright you guys, so Craftsman has another deal here. 8-tool deal, right? You got 8 tools right here. 8-tool combo kit. Reciprocating saw, orbital sander, 6.5-inch circular saw, I think. But then you get the jigsaw, impact driver, drill driver, multi-tool, and flashlight with 2 amperage-hour batteries, charger, and contractor bag. That guy's going for $399. They also have the 4-tool deal for $199. Still get the 2 amperage-hour batteries, the charger, and the contractor bag. It's a drill driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, and the flashlight for $199. These are not brushless tools as far as I can tell, but Craftsman does have the 3-year limited warranty. So it's some great prices. I really like the 8-tool deal for $399. That's basically every tool you need. Alright, okay, so now we're here looking at some Cobalt deals. Cobalt has a 3-tool XTR 24-volt combo kit for $249, dropping down to from $299. 24-volt max XTR series, impact driver, drill driver, flashlight. You get 2 batteries, 1 charger included, and then of course not a contractor bag but a hard plastic case. So it's a really great deal for 3 tools, and it looks like you get a 4 amperage-hour battery with a 2 amperage-hour battery, so a bigger battery in this awesome kit here. 1518746. Alright, the other deal by Cobalt is this bad boy right here. This is the 1518747. It's a 5-tool combo kit. 24 max brushless tools right here. You get 2 batteries, 1 charger, and you get a rolling tote that comes with it. But you get your beast hammer drill here, impact driver. I think it's a 7.25-inch circular saw, flashlight, and reciprocating saw. So that's a pretty sweet deal, guys, for $399. They dropped it down from $449, saving another $50 if you are a big Cobalt fan. Yeah, 1 4 amperage-hour battery and 1 2 amperage-hour battery. Let's see what else they have. All right, so it looks like DeWalt has some combo tool sets right here. This is a 10-tool combo kit that comes with 2 batteries, charger, and a contractor bag. You got the drill driver, you got the impact driver, 6.5-inch circular saw, reciprocating saw, you get your flashlight, Bluetooth radio, vacuum, blower, multi-tool, and an angle grinder, it looks like. Yep, that's it. It's a 20-volt system. And this is going for $549 right now. It dropped from $849. That's the biggest discount I've seen so far on the multi-tool combo kit for any brand. Alright, so this 4-tool combo kit by DeWalt is going for $349 right now. So you get an XR reciprocating saw, and then just the standard DeWalt drill driver, impact driver, and flashlight. $349 if you're looking for a DeWalt 4-tool combo kit. Alright, now we got a brushless 6-tool combo kit, but this is the DCK 677D2. You get 6 tools, brushless drill driver, impact driver, circular saw, reciprocating saw, multi-tool there, and a flashlight, all brushless. XR brushless, man. And that 6-tool combo kit, it's going for $4.99 by DeWalt right now. There it is. I found it, the $3.49 for the brushless 4-tool combo kit, right? That's the reciprocating saw, drill driver, impact driver, flashlight. You get 2 batteries, charger, and contractor bag for $3.49. And another brushless kit, if you don't care for the reciprocating saw, you can get it with the circular saw. Still a 4-tool brushless kit, $3.49 as well. And then here's a $3.99 4-tool combo kit because you get the XR hammer drill, impact driver XR, you get a reciprocating saw XR, and a flashlight. And with this one, you get a 4 ampere hour battery with a 2 ampere hour battery with the battery charger contractor bag. So bigger batteries, better line of tools for $3.99. Add $50 on that $3.49, and you get the upgrade. So that's a sweet deal. We got another 3 combo tool kit right here. Brushless 3-tool combo kit, XR multi-tool, impact driver, drill driver for $2.99 if you only need 3 tools there. So it looks like that's all that DeWalt has as far as multiple tool combo kits. Let's go on to the next brand. All right, Bosch has a 4-tool combo kit right here, 18 volt. You get 1 fast charger, 2 batteries, 1 carrying bag with a one-handed reciprocating saw, the Beast impact driver, and the drill driver, along with the LED flashlight, shop light. And I think it's just 2 ampere hour batteries. But this kit is the GXL 18V-496B22. If you're interested in this kit, they dropped it $100, so it's $229 right now. 4-tool combo kit by Bosch. All right, y'all, that's all the multi-tool combo kit deals at Lowe's. Let's go to Home Depot and see what they have there. All right, here we are at the Home Depot. Let's go inside and see what deals they have on those combo kits. All right, we got DeWalt's 20-volt tough system 6-tool kit for $4.99 here. $12.51 value if you buy them separately. But you get the hammer drill, the impact driver, the wrench, and then you get 2 flex volt tools. You got the grinder and the 7¼ inch circular saw, and the multi-tool here with 2 4 ampere hour batteries plus charger, and a tough system box, all for $4.99 if you're looking to get 2, 4, 6 tools and 2 batteries. That's a really good deal. 20-volt 5-tool combo kit, $2.99. You get the drill driver, the impact driver, 6½ inch circular saw, multi-tool orbital sander, and then you get a, looks like a 1.5 ampere hour battery, or 2 ampere hour battery, 4 ampere hour battery, charger, and a bag for $2.99 by DeWalt. Let's go see what Milwaukee has for multi-tool kits here. Oh wow. All right, so Milwaukee has a deal for $2.99 as well. M18 5-tool combo kit, very similar to the DeWalt one, except yeah, they give you a drill driver, impact driver. This is a 6½ inch circular saw, LED work light, random orbiter sander, 1 1.5 and 1 3 ampere hour battery, a double charger or dual charger here that charges both the M12 and the M18s, and a bag. So personally, I would go with that one for $2.99 versus the DeWalt. And then you have another one here. This is the M18 Fuel 4-tool kit. And they got the, right here, the hammer drill, the impact driver, 6½ inch circular saw, LED stick light, and you get 2 5 ampere hour batteries, the double M12 M18 charger, and a contractor bag. This guy's a little bit more there for that set. All right, and then Rigid has their 5-tool Gen 5X 18-volt 5-piece combo kit. You get a Gen 5X 7¼ inch circular saw. You get the reciprocating saw, the hammer drill, the impact driver drill, and a flashlight or LED light. And you get two 4 amperage hour batteries, a charger, and a contractor bag with, of course, LSA lifetime service agreement. And that guy is going for $4.99 if you're looking to get something like that. All right, well, Makita right here has a 6-piece as well for $2.99, and it comes with 3 amperage hour batteries. So you get a circular saw, you get a reciprocating saw, impact driver, drill driver, charger, and it looks like it just got 2 batteries, 2 3 amperage hour batteries. You get a flashlight and a stick vacuum. That's a sweet deal, yep. 3 amperage battery, you get 2. You get a bag and a charger for $2.99. So if you know, a few different tools, but Makita's got DeWalt beat by quite a bit. All right, then Ryobi's got 2 deals here. You got a 4-tool combo kit for $139, normally $199, and you get the drill driver, the impact driver, it looks like a reciprocating saw, and the flashlight. It gives you a 4 amperage hour battery, 1.5 amperage hour battery, the charger, and a tool bag. $139. Or if you want the 6-tool combo kit, they're saving you $100 right now. You get the 1/2 inch 2-speed drill driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, 5.5 inch circular saw. You get the multi-tool, flashlight, a 4 amperage hour battery, 1.5 amperage, a charger, and a bag for $199 by Ryobi if you're a fan of Ryobi. All right, so you got everything right next to each other. Let's go from Rigid 3-pack Pro Tool Chest combo. Get all 3 for under $100, $98. If you don't care for Rigid, you got the DeWalt. You get all 3 for $149. And if you don't care for DeWalt or Rigid, you got the Milwaukee pack out system here for $179 for all 3. So it just depends on what you're looking for right there. All right, we're actually gonna stop by Walmart here. Just check out the Hart Power Tools and the other brands that they have to see if they have any tool combo kits as well. Let's check it out. All right, so Hart does have an end cap here. We got a 5-piece right here, 5-piece tool combo kit. It's going for $178. It comes with 2 1.5 amperage hour batteries. Comes with a reciprocating saw, tire inflator, drill driver, impact driver, and a handheld flashlight there. It also comes with a 70-piece accessory kit. So far for the 5-tool, for just any tool combo kit, Hart has everyone beat. So I mean, Hart's doing their thing. They're very competitive. $178 for their 5-tool combo kit. Okay, looks like Hyper Tough has a 3-tool combo kit. All right, so this 3-tool combo kit comes with 2 batteries, charger, 3 tools by Hyper Tough for $89. That is a really great deal. If you are a fan of Hyper Tough, they got a 3-tool combo kit for you. All right, so Walmart gave us 2 tool combo kits, one by Hart and one by Hyper Tough. Let's go on to Tractor Supply and check them out. Okay, so here we are at my local Tractor Supply. Let's see if they have any multi-tool combo kits. All right, looks like they only have a 2-tool combo kit here at Tractor Supply, but it's a Tough System kit, Flex Volt. This is going for $199. You get 2 6 amperage hour batteries and a charger with an impact driver and a reciprocating saw. That is the DCK TS295T2. It's going for $199. All right, looks like it's just one deal here at my local Tractor Supply. So let's go ahead and go to Ace Hardware and see if they have a few more deals for us. All right, this is my final stop, Ace Hardware here. We're gonna go check it out, see what deals they have. All right, DeWalt has the 4-tool combo kit, just like Home Depot and Lowe's. 2 batteries, battery charger. You get the drill driver, the impact driver, the circular saw, and the flashlight. But their price is $419.99. I think this is the highest priced one for this kit that I've seen. All right, that's it for Ace Hardware. All right, y'all, so that's the best deals I could find for you at Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, Tractor Supply, Ace Hardware, on these multi-combo tool kits. Alright, so just let me know the best deals that you saw, or the most enticing deals, or the most tempting deals. You just let me know what category you'd like me to do next, and I'll do that next for you guys. Alright, so if that helped you find a deal that you've been waiting for on a multi-tool combo kit set by these different brands, please like, share, comment, click that notification bell for me, and definitely subscribe. You guys can put me to work, and I'm going to find you guys the best deals I can. Of course, I'm going to do the same thing for online deals as well. We're going to do it by category. This way you guys can see what deals are out there, not only for Black Friday deals, but just deals on any given day. I'll try to stay up to date and show you guys the best deals all the time. So again, I appreciate you all tuning in. And here at Mastering Mayhem, I'm always trying to find you guys the best tools, tech, DIYs, and deals to make life a little easier and work more efficient. I appreciate all of your support, and until next time, all the best to you and yours.